Hello everyone, this is Aman Juman from TechX365. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to transfer a domain from one AWS account to another AWS account. So you have two options. You can either transfer it through support, or either you have to transfer it using AWS CLI. So here I'm going to show you guys the procedure how to perform the domain transfer using the CLI, because the support process is a bit time consuming, and you have to set up the profile and you have to give the lots of information. Then they're going to initiate the transfer. So we're going to do it ourselves. So first you need the administrator access of both account in order to perform the changes. You can check the documentation of AWS Route53 domain transfer. So you need at least administrator access, power user access, or Route53 full access, actually I believe, domain access I believe. So since I have administrator access of both accounts, I logged in using IAM user. You can either log in with IAM user with administrator access, or directly logging with root user. So this is the account I'm going to transfer, and this is the account I will be transferred from. So I'm going to pick the account that I'm going to transfer. So I'm going to go there and I'm going to copy the account ID. So that's the account ID. So I'm going to copy that and put it in a notepad. So I already put it in a notepad. Now I'm going to go back to the account where the domain is located. So this account, I got the domain. So I'm going to search Cloud Shell, or you can click here Cloud Shell. So I'm in North Virginia region, so it should be fine. Cloud Shell could be open from here. So I'm going to open Cloud Shell. And in root 53 management, you can see there is no pending request right now. So in Cloud Shell, it's going to take a couple of seconds to prepare. Okay, so we have Cloud Shell ready. So now we're going to initiate the transfer request to the new account, the other account. So what we're going to type, AWS Route53 domains transfer to another, transfer domain to another dash AWS account. Then we're gonna flag domain dash name space your domain name. So in my case, I'm gonna transfer my personal domain, which is amanjuman.me. Then space, then you're gonna type you're gonna flag account dash ID space, then you're gonna put your account ID. So in my case, I'm gonna type my account ID, then enter. You'll receive a JSON formatted operation ID and password. So I'm gonna just copy that and just put it on a notepad, so you would be needed. So I'm gonna post it in a notepad, and now I'm gonna go back to the the target account, which is my account. So I'm gonna open Cloud Shell here again. Now I'm gonna accept the domain. So what I'm gonna do, AWS Route53 domains accept dash domain dash transfer transfer dash from dash another dash AWS dash account, and then flag domain dash name. Then I'm gonna type your domain name, so amanjuman.me, then flag password, and I'm gonna put the colon mark. Then I'm gonna type the password, which is here, paste. then enter. So once you see operation ID, that means its domain is transferred. Sometimes you will see that when you try to enter the password command, you will see some error or something like that, that command is not found or invalid command. Is because of there might be some character in here which can conflict the commands. That case, just go back to your initial account, then cancel the domain transfer, and then reinitiate until you get a proper password so that you can initiate the domain transfer. So if you like to cancel the domain transfer, what you're going to do, AWS Route53 domains, cancel domain dash transfer to another AWS account, then flag domain dash name, then your domain name. So me, and yeah, that's it. If you entered that, the domain transfer will be cancelled. So since I already transferred the domain and I didn't have any issues, so I'm not gonna execute this command, which is totally fine for me for now. So now I'm gonna check the source account, the target account, to see if I have the domain transfer here. So I'm gonna check register domain. I can see amanullah.juman.me is in here. So that's it. So if you guys like this tutorial, please put a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Thank you.